Oh well. Live and learn, right? Yep. Anyway. Look at it, it's coming right overhead. What does it look like to you from here? See it?
Yeah.
What does it look like? Tell me. Look, now look, there's two more here. I can take my pick of two other ones that are just coming up. You want to tell me this is just chance, Tim? These are just airplanes? They sound like them, but why are they flying all the time over this area, huh? Can you tell me that? It's because they're UFOs, Tim. These are extraterrestrials. And they know we're here, and they're allowing us to film their craft. And Jeff is going to get, when Jeff sees this, he's going to be overjoyed. So Jeff, remember that I said that when you watch this film and you get to see this film. These are all triangle craft, Jeff. And they all knew we were coming out here, and that's why I'm getting so many of them right here tonight for you, so you can see this. And to show you that these aliens care about us, and they're not stingy, they're not selfish. Look at that. How can... There goes another powerful triangle craft. Look at that. Beautiful piece, beautiful technology going off to the southwest of South Searsville Road, right there. How amazing is that? Beautiful. Thank you, guys. Thank you for allowing us to see your craft tonight. Now, I'll go back to the third one that was rising up, and here it is. There, now we're on the third anomalous light that just rose right out of the UFO hotspot between Hill Ave and South Searsville Road, and it just rose right out of the woods. They were just at first hovering about 10 to 15, 20 feet above the trees, and then they rose up higher and higher, very slow at a snail's pace, and now they're just rising up and coming directly over us, allowing us to zoom in close on them and videotape this. But here's the third craft, and this one looks a little redder to me, doesn't it? Do you think it looks red, Tim? Reddish?
Yeah, it's not bright white like the other ones are.
Yeah, the other the other three were bright. This one's more red, it's reddish. Amazing. Truly amazing. Thank you, guys. Thank you for showing us, demonstrating your wonderful, your beautiful alien extraterrestrial spacecraft hardware. Yeah, there she goes, right overhead, right over South Searsville Road right now. There it goes. Another triangle ship. They're all triangular. So awesome. Well, I have to reposition myself. Cut this off here because I can't get repositioned with it. Alright, here we are.